Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on for my Pisces. Okay, so you have the Queen of Cups on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Four of Swords is jumping. So I think some healing is going on. Let's see anyway. So what's there on your person's side? So on your person's side we have the Hangman, the most likely outcome. The Six of Swords. So moving away. So with the Queen of Cups being there, you are emotional regarding a situation, regarding this person. But the thing here is with the Hangman, things are not moving forward. And the result is the Six of Swords. So definitely it's parting ways. That's what I feel. Somebody is leaving the situation because the emotions are not being reciprocated. Things are stuck on this person's side. Let's see what's this Queen of Cups about for Pisces. Okay, so we have the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords, the High Priestess, the Ten of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Lovers. The Six of Pentacles. Let's see what is this Hangman for. So we have the Six of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, the Four of Swords, which was jumping out from that deck. As I said, so a lot of healing here going on. The Ace of Wands, the King of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Temperance. So let's see what is the Six of Swords. So for the Six of Swords we have the Page of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Eight of Cups, the Chariot, and the Ace of Swords with the Death and Rebirth. The Page of Wands, the Moon, the Two of Pentacles, Emperor, the Strength, the Four of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. The Hangman once again. So Pisces, for the Queen of Cups we have the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords. So trying to make up your mind regarding a situation which has caused you a lot of agony, a lot of heartbreak. Okay, so this is totally detaching yourself from a situation which has, though you're trying to take a decision also, you are really heartbroken regarding a situation. You are detached from the situation and trying to make up your mind using a lot of intuition with the High Priestess being there and the Ten of Wands. You are leaving this situation, Pisces. So there's a lot of agony, lot of heartbreak being there. With the High Priestess, you are trying to focus on yourself, trying to heal, being in touch with your intuition as to how should you cope up with this situation. And with the Ten of Wands, you are definitely packing up your bags and walking away from this situation, which is causing you a lot of agony. And you are moving towards your Ace of Cups. You're moving towards a new beginning of which is going to give you a lot of, I should say, emotional fulfillment with the Lovers being there. So what I feel is you are leaving this situation towards a new beginning, and with the Lovers being there, towards your soulmate, towards somebody who is going to give you a lot of love. A lot of passion is there in this relationship towards which you are moving after leaving this situation. Definitely packing your bags and walking away from somebody who has caused you a lot of heartbreak. The emotions are closed over here. You are not opening up, though you had a lot of emotions, but yes, they were not reciprocated. That is why you are totally hurt in this situation. And we have the Three of Swords there and the Three of Pentacles and the Three of Cups there. So maybe it was a third party or a love triangle, but here you are walking away definitely towards someone who is actually giving you a lot of emotional satisfaction, a lot of happiness, and you are trying to sort out your life with the Six of Pentacles, balancing your life. So you are moving away from this situation towards your actually whom you actually love, or somebody who is actually to whom you can actually offer your love and get it back, something like that. Okay, actually it is moving towards someone who can actually reciprocate your feelings. I'm so caught up in this Two of Swords and Three of Swords that it's actually just jumping at me, those three cards and the Ten of Wands, that you're actually leaving this situation behind. This part is so dominating actually that not even getting words for the positive aspect. This one is too I should say too loud. This has a very huge uh, vibrancy to it, or the effect of this is very huge. Whatever you are suffering from, Pisces, this is something really huge. Okay, and here for the Hanged Man, the situations is stuck over here, as I said, and for that we have the Six of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, the Four of Swords, Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and the Temperance. So here with the Six of Cups, Three of Cups, Four of Swords, Three of Pentacles, this is reconciliation actually. This is reconciliation, or having those happy times once again. I really don't know who is reconciling with whom here, because I really don't see you moving towards this person, and this person is not reciprocating. Then what is this Six of Cups about? But with the Three of Cups and the Three of Pentacles and with the Four of Swords, definitely what I feel, this is okay. So this is definitely seems to be a love triangle with the Three of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. And with the Four of Swords, what I feel is somebody is definitely trying to heal, focusing on the self-healing for a new beginning with the Ace of Wands. So this person is also trying to heal and come out of something negative, wanting to have a new beginning for their wish fulfillment, which is the Nine of Cups here. See, what I am getting here is that this Six of Cups can be the reconciliation. Maybe you are going back to your partner. If it is actually a third party, then maybe somebody is going back to their previous partner, to their ex, maybe. It can be that also. Let's see how this energy unfolds. But anyway, as for now, I'll see if I can get something more. But definitely it is reconciliation. Since you are moving towards your soulmate or somebody who is actually giving you love and affection, this can be your ex also. It can be that energy, because energies can be mixed. But yes, it is something third party, which has caused a lot of heartbreak and agony. It requires a lot of healing, which is going on here. And here we have the Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Nine of Cups. So this person is also manifesting a new beginning for their wish fulfillment, trying to gain the control of their life with the King of Pentacles and the Temperance, balancing and sorting out their own life. Anyway, let's see. With the Six of Swords, definitely there is parting ways in this situation. We have the Page of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Eight of Cups, the Chariot, the Ace of Swords, the Death and Rebirth, Page of Wands, the Moon, Two of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Strength, okay, Four of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. See, what I am getting here is that maybe this situation, whatever it was, started with maybe some sort of emotions have already obviously been displayed. That is why this relationship happened, even if it was a third party. But yes, there was some opening up, some showing of emotions, but ultimately with the Five of Wands, there has been some confusion or a fight for some reason over here. And with the Eight of Cups, what I feel is somebody is definitely leaving. With the Six of Swords here and the Eight of Cups over here, definitely after this fight, whatever this fight has happened, though the emotions were shown, a little bit of emotion was shown in this relationship, but there was a fight and a conflict, some argument, whatever there was. With the Eight of Cups, somebody is leaving because maybe it is a third party, so maybe this was an argument regarding that. But yes, somebody decides to leave, and once they decide to leave, they get back on track. That's what I'm getting. With the Ace of Swords, we have the Chariot, the Ace of Swords, the Death and Rebirth. Definitely this situation is ending for a new beginning, and once you are leave this situation, what I feel is with the Ace of Swords, once you have the clarity and the understanding that yes, it is not going to happen, you need to move away from this situation. Once you leave this situation, things start moving very fast, okay, and you really have new beginnings. You have the clarity, okay, how to manifest a new beginning. You are ending this chapter, moving towards a new one, and with the Page of Wands, you are ready for a new beginning. You are ready for a new beginning, taking small steps towards it. With the Moon, though the path may not be clear as to what to do, in which way to go. Moon again can be talking about that third party also. But yes, what I feel here is more is that once you are able to let go of this situation, you take back the control of your life and things start moving very fast. With Ace of Swords, you have new beginnings and you have the clarity that yes, you need to go towards those new beginnings. With the Death and Rebirth, and one more thing which I am getting here with Ace of Swords is you are focusing on your own healing also. And with the Death and Rebirth, definitely this chapter is ending and you're ready for a new beginning. As I said, with the Page of Wands, you are taking small steps towards it. The path may be unclear, there may be indecisiveness, there may be confusions with the Moon and the Two of Pentacles, but yes, you are taking back the control of your life with the Emperor and the Strength card. That's what I feel. With the Emperor and the Strength card, though you are really working hard on yourself and gaining back the control, holding back your emotions from any Tom, Dick and Harry or from this situation, guarding your emotions, and this is how you are manifesting your own happiness. This is about your own happiness, your own Ten of Cups. I really don't feel if there is somebody else coming in this equation as for now, or if it is actually somebody else coming in, then because definitely both of you are moving different ways, but somebody here is packing their bags and moving towards their soulmate, with the Lovers card being there, which cannot be ignored here. And there is a reconciliation also for those of you who are actually going back to their ex or somebody from the past, okay, and that is how, if they are planning to do, then what I want to say is that if they are planning to do that, so once they leave this situation, things will pick up pace very fast. And this is, maybe you don't know how the path will be, how the other person will react. This moon can be about that also, with the death and rebirth and the moon. So you are ending this cycle, trying to move towards your ex. Perhaps I'm saying again ex with this because there is Six of Cups here, and the vibe here also which I'm getting is immediately you are moving towards, we have the Lovers card, so definitely there is somebody in the mind. There is no energy of being alone as such over here if you try to take this thing. Okay, so it can be actually you have some person, or maybe you are looking for that, it can be that also. But definitely you really don't know how to move, which path to move, or you don't know what the reaction will be from the other person once you go to your ex. It can be that for those of you who are trying to reconcile. So definitely there is some sort of indecision, that time is there, but yes, things are back in control with the Strength and Four of Pentacles, and ultimately coming to the Ten of Cups. What I feel is, see, for those of you who actually want to reconcile, you will get your happiness. You will get that reconciliation. You will. It may take some time of indecisiveness. They may not show their emotions, or you may not show your emotions to them. But ultimately, with the Ten of Cups being the last card, ultimately I think you will be getting that happiness. If it is your ex or maybe somebody new, because it can be just you trying to get back to your happy times. Okay. But yes, those of you who have a person in their mind and want to reconcile, or have somebody new on your mind, whatever, they will get their happiness. And for those who really don't have, as for now, anyone on their mind, but this is what they're looking for, they will get that happiness. First of all, you get your own happiness, and then it is about the person who comes in your life. So this is because with the Six of Swords, definitely there is a phase here which you need to focus on yourself also. So let's see what's the message for the Pisces from the universe. Demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those who love, those you love, and act on it. Number 48 may be of some significance for you. So this is what it is. You need to know what is important for the other person you love, and then take those emotions into consideration. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.